Welcome everyone to Hoodwinked episode 2. Today we'll be talking about auto insurance, specifically comprehensive and collision coverages and deductible selection. So jumping right in, hoodwinked, remember, is just a fancy term for being misled or misguided. Many people with their insurance policies today are being misled, misguided, either by their current agents or their neighbors. Don't listen to your neighbor. Contact your local independent insurance agent and they'll be able to steer you on the right path. So jumping right in, comprehensive and collision coverages. So collision, just like it sounds, you hit another vehicle and you're deemed to be at fault. You pay a collision deductible to fix your vehicle. Same thing applies. You hit a light pole, a tree, telephone pole, those sort of things. You will pay your collision deductible to fix your vehicle. Comprehensive, on the other hand, is any other covered loss that is not collision. So separate coverage from collision, comprehensive. Comprehensive, you also pay a separate deductible, which is called the comprehensive deductible. So comprehensive, that includes fire, theft, vandalism, hail damage, you hit a deer, those sort of things are under the comprehensive tab. And you will pay your comprehensive deductible to get those fixed. Now, how do you choose your deductible? A lot of people do just basic 500. Some people choose to do 500, 1,000, which is typically what I suggest. Go a little bit higher on the collision deductible, save you a little money on the rate. You take a little more of the risk. Because collision tends to be things that are in your control. You know, we've all heard be a defensive driver, those sort of things. Avoid collisions, avoid being at fault in an accident, those sort of things. That'll save you a little money on your auto insurance policy if you go a higher collision deductible, since those things tend to be more in your control. Comprehensive, on the other hand, tend to be things that are out of your control. Like as I mentioned, hail damage. You can't really control if you're driving down the road and it starts hailing on you. Can't really control if someone steals your car. To a certain degree, you can put it in your garage, but I know that's not possible for everyone. So to a certain degree, comprehensive, kind of out of your control. So go a little bit lower on the comprehensive deductibles. That way, when things do happen that are out of your control, you just pay a smaller deductible. A lot of people just like to go 500 on both and just be done. A lot of times I suggest, hey, if you're going to go 500, why not go 1,000 on collision, go 250 on comprehensive. It'll even out. That way, when something happens out of your control, you just pay that 250 deductible versus 500, save you a little money. And you'd hate to pay a larger deductible for something that's, not really in your control. So that's kind of it for today. Contact your local independent insurance agent. They'll be able to steer you on the right path when it comes to coverage. They'll also be able to educate you, walk through the coverages with you, and help you decide, what you want, as far as deductible, as far as coverage, and they'll steer you on the right path.